Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this video what we are going to learn, friends, we are going to build in this video a CCTV camera. We are going to use our Raspberry Pi 4 and Raspberry Pi 4 or a Raspberry Pi official camera to make our own CCTV system. Okay, so we are going to use here a motioneyeos, and then with the help of motioneyeos we are going to set up our Raspberry Pi 4 as our CCTV camera. Okay, also you can use here a Raspberry Pi 0. Okay, but I don't have a Raspberry Pi 0 right now, so I am going to use Raspberry Pi 4 for this project. Also I am going to use here a Raspberry Pi 4 official camera. Okay, you can use here a latest Raspberry Pi HD camera also. Okay, for that we need here, of course we need here a Raspberry Pi 4, also a SD card. As you can see, I have inserted a SD card. Also here I am using, this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. As you can see, this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Okay, then this a small container where we are going to insert, or where we are going to fix our all the hardware. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to insert motioneyeos on our card. Okay, for that we are going to move on our computer. So friends, we are now on our laptop, we are now on Windows 10 machine. Okay, here as you can see, this is what the motioneyeos link, GitHub link. I will mention the link inside my description box. Just open the GitHub page. Okay, and just scroll down. Here it is. As you can see, we have here motioneyeos image available for Raspberry Pi 2, Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 4 also. Okay, also the image is available for all other boards. You can check Orange Pi 0 and all those boards are available. Okay, but we are on Raspberry Pi 4, so I am going to download a motioneyeos for Raspberry Pi 4. So as you can see, here it is, what motioneyeos Raspberry Pi 4. Simply click on and download the image. Okay, so which I have already download the motioneyeos image. As you can see, here it is, what image. Now we have to flash the image inside our card. For that we need here a HR software. Okay, so visit their website, the HR website, and download the HR software for Windows machine. As you can see, HR for Windows, or if you are on Mac, so you can download for as per your platform. Okay, so I have already downloaded the HR software for my Windows 10 machine, and I have installed HR software. Now what I am going to do, I am going to flash the image inside our card. Simply I am going to open the HR software, and then we are going to flash the image inside our card. Okay, so friends, this is what our HR. Now click on flash from file, and here we are going to select our motioneyeos. As you can see, motioneyeos, open it, and I have here a 15.9 GB card. Okay, which I have inserted in inside the SD card, and I have connect the SD card reader to my laptop. Okay, now simply I am going to click on flash. And friends, as you can see, our process is now start. It takes some time. Meanwhile, I will pause the video. So friends, we are successfully flash our image inside our card reader. Now we have to connect our camera to our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, for here I am going to suggest you to follow Raspberry Pi official website. Okay, so friends, this is what Raspberry Pi official website, and as you can see, here it is. They describe very well how to connect the camera module to Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, for connecting a camera module to Raspberry Pi 4, I highly suggest you to watch their official practical, or watch their official tutorial to how to connect the camera module to our Raspberry Pi 4. As you can see, okay, so I will mention the link. You can just follow the tutorial to how to connect Raspberry Pi 4 camera, official camera module, to our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so friends, now what we want to do, we want to enable the Wi-Fi of our Raspberry Pi 4. For that we need to insert the wpsapplicant.conf file inside the motioneyeos boot partition. Okay, for that we need to read the boot partition on Windows 10. For that we need here a software. So software fs-driver.org. This is what the website. As you can see, go to their website and click on download and download the ext to ifs setup.exe file, okay, which I have already downloaded and installed the software on your Windows 10. It will help to read the Linux file system on Windows 10. Basically it will help us to read motioneyeos file system inside the Windows 10. Then we can able to add our wpsapplicant.conf file inside the boot partition. Okay, but remember here one thing friends, just remove your USB card reader from your laptop when you install this software, otherwise your machine will be get hang. Okay, so remove it once and then install the software. Okay, then open the software and after that connect your card reader with your laptop. Okay, so I have already installed the software and I am going to connect my card reader which we card reader with our card which we have the motioneyeos. So I am going to connect my card reader to the laptop again, because we want to insert the wpsapplicant.conf file. As you can see, USB drive F, cancel, I don't want to format. I am going to go the inside this PC. Okay, and friends, as you can see, we have here our USB drive F. So simply I am going to click open and this is what our motioneyeos. Okay, so friends, here we want to add our wpsapplicant.conf file. So simply right click, create new text document. Okay, and friends, remember one thing, we have to enable here extension. So simply go to view, okay, and check the file name extensions is enabled or not, otherwise the extension will not be show here. Okay, because we don't want .txt extension, so we are going to remove the extension. So just remember, click on view, go to the file name extension and just check mark the extension. It will enable the file name extension inside Windows 10. Okay, so now I can watch .txt extension, so we don't want .txt, so I am going to remove the .txt. Okay, and then just mention like this way, wpa underscore supplicant dot conf, wpsapplicant.conf file. This is what our file. Yes, are you sure you want to change it? Click on yes. Now we have our wpa file. Now I am going to insert the code. Okay, this is what code which I have on my GitHub. So I will mention the link, you can go there and just download the code and just copy and paste inside the wpa file. Okay, so here it is friend, we have to on SSID, here it is. Of course we need to mention our router SSID, so I am going to mention my router SSID, and of course then we have to mention here our password. Okay, like this way. Okay, so SSID and password, then just file, save it and close. Then we have all the done with our software installation and our Wi-Fi configuration. Now we are going to insert the card inside our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so friends, we are ready and now I am going to just set our hardware in my gallery. Okay, so friends, now we are ready and we want to know the IP address of our motioneyeos. So simply open your router and then you can see the host name is MEYE. As you can see, MEYE is the host name. So this is what the IP address, 192.168.0.104. So simply open this address in your browser. So 192.168.0.104 I am going to enter, and as you can see we are now on the motioneyeos dashboard. Simply username is by default admin and there is no password, so simply put the username admin and no password. Click on login, and as you can see we are basically able to log in inside the motioneyeos software. Okay, so this is what this is what basically the camera. We are ready. Now we want to change here a rotation. Okay, so how to change basically rotation? So simply we are going to click on setting and we are going to go down, and here it is. As you can see, video rotation, we are going to change the basically there is a 0 by default, so we are going to change here 180, and we are going to check our rotation is change or not. And as you can see friends, we are now change our rotation. And now if I make a full screen, as you can see, this is what the camera clarity. Okay, so friend, this is the way you can set up your Raspberry Pi camera as your CCTV camera. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.